This week I am testing the Toyota Camry Hybrid. This is a 5-seater sedan. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The boot section of this review is brought to you by Toyota. When it comes to the looks of the Camry Hybrid, you can see it hasn't been revolutionised, but it has been nicely modernised. You can see that in the lights, which are like those of the Toyota CHR. Let's have a look inside. The boot door of the Camry Hybrid sedan opens really nice and easily and quietly with just the touch of a button. Now, this boot does have a narrow opening, but it's a really nice and wide, and it's really cavernous in here. Let's find out how the taller prams fit in the boot. The boot of the Toyota Camry Sedan Hybrid will hold 15 shopping bags, or the taller sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the Camry Sedan Hybrid with 6 shopping bags. The taller sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with 2 sibling seats will fit in the boot with 6 shopping bags, and the taller sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat and the bassinet will fit in the boot of the Camry Sedan Hybrid side by side, but with no shopping bags. Or the taller Urban Glide 3 Ultimate All-Terrain Stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 4 shopping bags. Or the taller Urban Glide 3 Double Ultimate All-Terrain Stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot but with no shopping bags. Or the taller Spring Lightweight One-Handed Folding Stroller fits in the boot of the Camry Sedan Hybrid with 8 shopping bags. Or you can fit 2 90-litre, 1 70-litre and 1 40-litre taller Chasm duffel bags in the boot. You can't put a dog in the boot as there's a fixed parcel shelf. The interior of the front of this Camry sedan is a little bit basic feeling, and it's got the seat fabric all over the dash and the doors, which is something I don't really enjoy. They have modernised it slightly though, which is good. Now, when it comes to storage in the front, there are 2 cup holders in the central console. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a large storage well, good for popping your sunglasses, and beside them is a phone charging pad. Now, the glove box is a good size in here. That would hold my wallet and iPad with the manual. And the central console box is a nice size too. There's a 12-volt socket in there, and there's USB-C sockets down near the phone charging pad. The door bins are a good size in here. They'll hold a refillable water bottle with an iPad, and there's the storage handle wells too. And you've got a glasses case in the ceiling and lit visors. The media system in the Toyota Camrys are really nice and easy to use. You navigate it all with this little channel on the right hand side. So you've got built-in sat nav, you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Wireless, which is really nice, so you can access your phone and all your apps and things while you're driving. You've got your music in there. Now in the car you can change a few things in here and go in and customise things. And also in the settings there, one of the ones that we like for families is the sound. You can go in and adjust lots of things in here, which is really good for those with kids with sensitive hearing. Now, when you put it in reverse, the camera image is really nice and large and fills the whole screen. And you've also got controls along the dash here for turning the aircon on and off and controlling your climate. In the back of the Camry Hybrid, there are air vents in the back of the central console box, so you can keep little passengers at the right temperature while you're driving along. There are also USB-C sockets down there, so rear passengers can charge their devices. When it comes to safety, the Camry Hybrid does have a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, scoring 87% for child occupancy and 95% for adult occupancy. And it has 8 airbags as standard, including side airbags that extend to the rear seats. When it comes to installing child seats in the back of the Toyota Camry Hybrid sedan, there are Isofix in the 2 outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages in the parcel shelf behind the headrests for all 3 rear seats too. And they're actually quite easy to access in here. Now, I have got 3 child seats across in the back here, which is fantastic news. I've got 2 forward-facing and 1 rear-facing, but I could fit 3 forward-facing as well. Now, legroom, I found with this rear-facing child seat installed, I can sit in front in the driver's seat, and I'm only 163 centimetres tall. So legroom is not fantastic with rear-facing child seats. However, with forward-facing child seats, we could fit a 186 centimetre driver in front. Storage in the back of the Camry sedan is pretty good. There is a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They will hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, and a kid's drink cup fits in there too. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold and conceal an iPad, and the door bins will hold a refillable water bottle, and they have the little storage handle wells too. The Toyota Camry Hybrid sedan is quite a nice car to drive. It's got some really good points and some that I don't like too. So being a hybrid, you can sit while your children sleep and you're not churning through fuel. It's very, very economical on fuel. So that's a really good thing. The visibility is very good in here. With 3 child seats across in the back, I can see straight out of that rear windscreen, and that's very, very rare. So that's a really good thing. And visibility all round is excellent. However, you just heard it then, the engine is very loud when it kicks in. That and the air conditioning is very loud as well. So when you've got kids in the back too, it just becomes a little bit of a sensory overload for them, especially on the highway. Now, other good thing is the turning circle is fantastic. So that, with the visibility, steering's nice and light, parking and manoeuvring in school and supermarket car parks is very good. So to sum up with the Toyota Camry Hybrid sedan, it does make a good baby drive for families that want the sedan shape. You can fit those 3 child seats across in the back with good legroom, which is excellent news for families that need to. That boot space is enormous. It's just a different shape to we're used to with the large SUVs. You can easily fit the taller Urban Glide 3 twin pram in the boot there. Now, the drive is nice with this, and being a hybrid, you save a lot of money on fuel. It's very efficient, and the media system and the cameras are good too.